The National Weather Service of New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, the Bronx, Long Island, New Jersey, and Connecticut at 3:15 p.m. on Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. This storm was located 15 miles east of New York, or 60 miles of New Jersey, and moving New York at 25 miles per hour. So here it is. The warning area include winds power like large hail. Damaging winds are fighting for your county, which is www.youtup.com, and search more emergency alert systems. And repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New Jersey, New York, Long Island, and Connecticut.